Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold Monday morning trading analysis. Today we are going to dive into gold, and then we're going to see what actually market has for us this week. This week, what is my focus? What is my focus? We have about three different scenarios, but I would show you this very scenario because this is my favorite one, which is likely to play out. Even though we have three, I'll show you only this. All right, and then and then we're going to look at how market should play out this week. That's what we're going to look at. All right. So if today is your first time joining Molar Gold, if today is your first time, please like, comment, and then subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification button so that you'll be notified immediately when I come live. All right. Okay. So today we're going to take a look. Last few weeks or last week, I predicted all these buys, and then my final level is this level. That is where I've marked, and price actually is there. All right. So today we're going to look at what should really happen this very week. So this very week we're going to dive into it, check what we should be expecting, Okay. So what am I to expect this very week? What am I to expect this very week? This very week, I'm expecting that gold should make some sharp drop. We should drop, right? We should start the drop, a sharp one. Okay. Even though my indicators are not aligned with this very pattern, all right, but that is what I am looking at. My indicators are not aligned with it. Okay. So but actually this is what I'm looking at. We have three scenarios. I'm just sharing this very scenario with you guys, and then we're going to look at the rest of the scenarios in the VIP. So I'll update the VIP with the other two scenarios. Okay, but here I'm going to share only one scenario. All right, so what are we looking at? Since we have this impulsive move to the upside, price actually came to a rest on this trend line. You can see price is actually resting somewhere here. So we have this move, we have that move, and finally we have here. And this is also a significant level where price should start making some kind of rejection or a turn. So we should have some kind of rejection or a turn to the downside, have a correction, then drop again, and before we start thinking of a buy. All right, that's basically what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. So I'm waiting for them to start making the sales. Okay, let's go into the smaller time frame, the 15 minutes, my usual. So you can see right now, price already have started. Let me check something. Price already have started making some kind of um, how do you call it? Some kind of reactions pointing the downside. Okay, so now price is pointing the downside. All right. So today and whatsoever for this whole week, I'm bearish on gold. I'm bearish on gold because that is what I'm actually seeing. The other scenarios I will share later in the VIP. So just this morning when I woke up, I saw that we have made this impulsive move. We made this impulsive move already. That was last week. And then when markets opened, we made this nice correction. Now we've made another impulsive move and then another nice correction. So this nice correction is what I am interested in, and price should start coming down from this correction, right? So as we are moving, this is what you should be looking at. This is how you should focus or face this market this very week. This impulse should also be responsible for this correction. So that should be, and somewhere here, equal legs, somewhere here or here, it will complete. So it will be very, very risky around these areas. Okay, it will be very, very risky. So what is going to happen is that since price made an impulse and then we have made this correction, so we have to move equal legs to the same size, equal legs, something like this. So this level would be very, very dangerous. All right, that's what we should be looking at. So as you are trading, don't forget if you get a correction again like that, then you pick it, you get a correction, you pick it. So that is how you're going to trade this very asset. All right, that's how you're going to trade gold this very week. So we'll be looking at all the corrections. Since market is now in a dilemma, we will be looking at all the corrections, all of them. That's what we'll be looking for. So we will look for all the corrections and then we will trade it. So whatever correction you see, like this one, this is a perfect correction, perfect one, we sell it. If we get another one, we sell it. We get another one, we sell it. All right, but when we get somewhere here, because of this level, watch it. Price probably would move sharply. And if we break this level, once we break this level, the trend is fully bearish. If we break this level, this very level, if we break it, the trend is fully bearish. So whatever that happens in between here, we're just going to enjoy the short-term trades, like we're scalping it. When we get below here and then we now get a huge corrections or whatsoever, we short it to the downside, and that is it. So this week our focus on gold is sell, no buying. This week our focus is sell, no buying at all. Right? If today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and then hit that bell notification. Please also tell friends, families about MolarGold. All right? You can get all the links in the bio. And then don't forget to join the Telegram channel. That is where all the actions happens at MolarGold. So you can search it on Telegram, MolarGold. Craig says, good morning, Doc. Good morning, Craig. All right, so that's what we should be looking for this week. And I see more sales this week, more. Probably this week, next 2 weeks, I don't know. But I see more sales this week, okay? One major reason also is that gold has broken the all-time high. The all-time high, all right? So if this is the highest, let me make it like this. If this is the highest point, now we broke it, that was last week. So we now got to the all-time high. We've broken the all-time high. And now we're expecting that gold to do a correction. We should have some kind of correction, right? If you know or you understand, this is with 1, this is with 2, this with 3, this with 4, and this is our with 5. And this with 5 probably is starting with a leading diagonal, right? I cannot go details into that. So this starting with a leading diagonal like this, then gives us a correction, and then we continue again. All right. If that is also the case, it means that we've completed the whole cycle of 5 wave, and then we should have an ABC correction, and then like this, like that, and price will go back up. All right. So for now, we are not interested in the whole picture. Market will always lead us. So what we're going to do is that great minds is MolarGold is super. Franklin, Doc, the figures will. Okay, today I've not mentioned. Okay, thank you, Franklin. So basically, we can have with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5 like this, and this with 5 is starting with a leading diagonal. So we're going to get a correction, and then we go up. All right. Basically, Da Costa. Good afternoon, Da Costa. All right, so that is it. This is what I'm actually expecting. Because of, so if this is the with 1 and this with 2 and these are with 3 and these are with 4, then it means that this with 5 is now giving us a leading diagonal correction, and then we continue 5 with to the upside. But if that is not the case, and these have even completed, this cycle has completed like this. This cycle has even completed like this. Sorry guys, let me go back. This cycle, no, weekly. This cycle has even completed. I don't need to do this because that's not the main. Okay, if we have this 1, this with 2, this with 3, and this with 4, and with 5, and then with 5 was even in truncation, and we have A, B, C, so it's still the same. Okay, now I've revealed some of the secrets which I wanted to share in VIP. In fact, let me go back. All right, so this is basically what we are looking at this week. So this week, guys, focus more on the sales. Okay, the prices. Okay, so when we get to 21.56, if we break 21.56, if we break in, Francis Akesi says, joined the Molar Challenge group yesterday. Okay, on the challenge on Telegram, and then waiting for. Okay, don't worry. This week I'm a little bit healthy and strong, so don't worry. Signals is going to flow this week, right? Guys, don't also forget this week, this very Saturday. Yes, this very Saturday is our Saturday. All right, the Wealth Arena, guys. If you are in Accra and then you want to see me, you want to see more analysis, more of whatsoever, you want to meet me, then you know where to find me. Takrady all the way. All the road leads to Takrady, guys. Takrady all the way. All right. So we're going to meet in Takrady, and then we'll do more of the analysis, more of the discussion there. Okay. Abdul says good morning. Good morning. All right, so don't worry. So let's look at. I don't want this to be. I have only 1 minute left. All right. So 21.56. If we break 21.56. Once we break 21.56, all right. Once we break it, candle closes below it, we are done. This whole thing now is bearish. But for now, we will trade the pieces. Price is already going down, and that is good. That is absolutely good. So whatever we are going to look at, whatsoever, we just look at it like that. We look at markets like this. That is anything that is like correction like that. Market gives you a correction like this, you sell it. Correction, you sell it. Okay, so we keep selling. Wait on all the corrections before you sell, guys. Please meet me in Takrady this coming Saturday. All right, Wealth Arena. That is where all the actions will happen this very weekend. Okay, so you meet me there, and then we continue with all our analysis. Guys, if you have any questions, you can put it in the chat group, and then I would answer that. But if we don't have any questions, then that is that for today. All right. If today is your first time, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Leave me some comments in the comment section. Okay. If you think that gold is going to go up, just tell me in the comment section. If you think gold is going to go down, as I'm saying, just tell me in the comment section. All right, guys. So that is that for today. We'll meet again on Wednesday to see what the analysis is looking like. For now, I would say it's Dr. Mola here, and a bye for now.